Hi, everybody. I'm glad you found me. I'm digging, and this is the vibe. I want to make a short video here before I forget. Um, Now, I stumbled across, and I had tried to get the information out there. Um, Tried 3 times, and I just didn't succeed. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna put this aside for now until I feel that I can get the message out. It's not going to be word per word, but this is something that should be taken really serious. Now, what I stumbled across that literally just popped up was the Weather Network. And you might go, how is that entertaining in any way? That's boring. The Weather Network, like, yeah. Now, what it was that caught my attention was the headline: Earth will be entering an abnormally warm temperatures. And I thought to myself, what? Earth will be? We already are in abnormal weather. The sun. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. That sun, that hurts. Once upon a time, there was something there, a shield between the rays of the sun and Earth. And I believe that there was a rip in that in the 60s. And by the look of everything, they didn't succeed at fixing it. And what do we blame it on? I am going to say that, listen, they said that it was next 5 years. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It used the word shattered. It was going to shatter our records. Shatter. And I thought, shatter? Why would you use that word? Shatter? Like, shatter? Look at all the fires. Look, half of the world is on fire. God said, he's never going to destroy the earth with water again. He was going to use fire. And look at the sun. Look at what's happening. I mean, I think there's a whole contribution of everything. Greenhouse gases and carbon emissions are high, and geoengineering the skies, chemtrails, on and on and on. I think, man is definitely a huge contributor in the sense you add fire or flame or anything like that, it's going to go poof, right? That's scary. So we haven't reached it yet. Now, another thing they said that they're extremely, and the words were they were extremely concerned. The other was about the oceans, that it was out of control and it is only going to get worse. And this out of control, because water's being evaporated. Like, when we go, holy moly, where's the water gone? Like, holy moly, where, and the lake. I mean, people don't think of evaporation, something that can happen just like that. You think it's a process because look how deep some lakes are and some rivers. All the same, they're drying up and the water is leaving earth and it's cracking, it's ripping apart, sinkholes everywhere. It rains hail the size of baseballs. That doesn't make any sense. And the sun. Now, they said that the earth was, they were concerned about the degrading of the environment. And they said that man would adapt and mitigate. And I thought, well, what are you saying here? So listen, we got to start taking that sun, what's going on with that sun, really serious and really protect ourselves. Um, you know, having a tan isn't the best thing. Being alive is the best thing. So you might want to look it up, the Weather Network, and it wasn't yesterday, so I guess it would have been the 17th. 17th, yeah, the 17th, it just popped up. And the abnormal records, because they said the highest were like in 1998, 2005. I know it was 2012 and 2013. There's others in between. So for us to shatter records, the sun, the weather we are moving into. So whatever you're planning, however you foresee your future, you know, short-term goal, long-term goal, we as humans have to put this into play, make it a part of it. And one would be water and the other sun, because the water's being evaporated, obviously, by the sun. So I would really check that out. It's not going to change. This is 1,000% plus. The earth is in real critical condition, and it's just going to get hotter. So, you know, I'm going to say, as fall comes along, I would definitely work on, if I was at home, I'd be working on my home. And this is what you want to do. Warm for the winter and cool for the summer, because it's just going to get hotter. It's just going to get hotter. The world temperature is just going to get hotter, and people are passing already because of it. So do your homework. It is, like I said, this is just the beginning. It quoted, Earth will enter abnormal temperatures, warm abnormal temperatures. And that just blew me away, where I just thought, we're not there yet? What? Yeah. Okay. So know this. Please know this. Do it for yourself and people that you love. And if they need an air conditioner and they can't afford it, you know, and you're in a position, even if you get it secondhand, you know, kind things like this, because obviously if they put a warning out like this, we really, really need to know this. It is a matter of life and death, and it is the matter of our world surviving. And the only way it's going to survive if people gain the knowledge. Because with knowledge, there's strength. With knowledge, there's power. And the same in numbers. So, okay. Like I said, I was going to make it short. Please protect yourself from the sun. Buy umbrellas if you have to. Don't leave the house without hats. Keep hydrated. Keep water with you. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. It'd be awesome if you gave me a thumbs up. And until then, please take care of yourself. And as always, I'm going to say, ciao, amore. Ciao, ciao.